Hello, we are going to start today and complete the applications of derivatives multiple choice questions. Already we did a few questions, I believe 4 questions we have already done. Next we can go to question number 5a. You have to find equation of normal line to the curve y equal to x log x and parallel to 2x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So first of all, we will find the derivative dy by dx using product rule. Derivative of x is 1 times into log x plus x is same. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So it is log x plus 1. Now the derivative, this is the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Slope of normal will be negative minus 1 by log x plus 1. But because normal is parallel to 2x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. And here the slope is minus 2 by minus 2. That is 1. So slope of normal has to be 1. Minus 1 by log x plus 1 should be equal to 1. Or log x plus 1 should be equal to minus 1. Or log x must be equal to minus 2. Or x should be equal to e power minus 2. So once you get x for the point, you got x coordinate. You have to find y coordinate. So put it in the equation y equal to x log x. X is e power minus 2, log of e power minus 2. You can remove log and e. So minus 2 e power minus 2. The y is minus 2 e power minus 2. And now, you know the point e power minus 2 e power minus 2. And you know the slope is 1. You can find the equation of the normal. They're asking you the equation of normal. You can see the question. They're asking you to find the equation of normal. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Or x minus y equal to 2 e power minus 2 plus e power minus 2. X minus y equal to 3 e power minus 2. This is how you can find the equation of the normal. Next, we will go to question number 5b. You have to find value of k for which f of x equal to kx cube plus 9x square plus 9x plus 3 is increasing on the set of real numbers. So because the function is increasing, they have given the derivative will be positive. So the derivative of the function is k is a constant. X cube's derivative is 3x square. 9 is a constant. X square's derivative is 2x. Again, 9 is a constant, x derivative is 1 and derivative of 3 is 0. So it has to be greater than 0. 3kx squared plus 18x plus 9 has to be greater than 0. Kx squared plus 6x plus 3 has to be greater than 0. Now, there is a formula. I will write that formula so that it will be easy for you. Ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0 for all values of x as real numbers. When a is greater than 0 and b square minus 4ac is less than 0. This is the main formula we will be using now. So here a, we will consider k greater than 0. And then we will find b square minus 4ac. B square is 36 minus 12k. This we will take less than 0. Because in the question they said the function is increasing for all values of r. That's why we are taking this. So 12k is greater than 36. K is greater than 3. That's the answer which is there in the option. Next, we can go to 5c. The function x cube plus 6x squared plus 9 plus 2k into x plus 1 is strictly increasing for all x if. So again they are saying function is increasing. That means the derivative is positive. So the derivative of x cube is 3x squared. 6 is a constant. Derivative of x squared is 2x plus 9 plus 2k is a constant. Derivative of x is 1 and then plus 1's derivative is 0. So this has to be greater than 0. Or 3x square plus 12x plus 9 plus 2k has to be greater than 0 for all x belonging to R. Already a, that is 3, is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac has to be less than 0. B square 144 minus 4 times 3. 4 into 3, 12. And C is 9 plus 2k. 9 plus 2k is greater than 144 by 12. 9 plus 2k is greater than 12. 2k is greater than 3. K is greater than 3 by 2. Which is there in the option. You can go to this option. Select this as the answer. Next, question 6. You have to find minimum value of 27 power cos 2x into 81 power sin 2x, and that is. So we will take this as y equal to 27 power cos 2x into 81 power sin 2x. whose minimum value we have to find. I will write this as 3 cube cosine 2x and 3 power 4 sine 2x. That is 3 power 3 cosine 2x plus 4 sine 2x. This is my modified y. If I want y to be minimum, that means here 3 cosine 2x plus 4 sine 2x has to be minimum. Now when it will be minimum, you will take plus or minus square root of 3 square plus 4 square. Plus or minus 9 plus 16. Plus or minus 25. Plus or minus 5. Obviously, plus 5. X equal to plus 5 will give you maximum. X equal to minus 5 will give you minimum. The formula I have used here is a very shortcut formula. If you have to find maximum or minimum of a sin x plus b cos x plus c, you can use c plus or minus square root of a square plus b square. If you take c plus, that will give you maximum. C minus will give you minimum. That's it. Next is question number 7. One thing I forgot, they are asking you value. So you have to put the value. You have to put x equal to minus 5. That I did not tell you. Value means y. So 27 I'm putting x as minus 5. 27 power cos of minus 10. 81 power sine of minus 10. How to find this? 27 power, as I wrote earlier, I will write 3 cube cos of 10 and 3 power 4 sine of minus 10. So first I will find the values of this. 3 power 3 cos of 10 minus 4 sine of 10. If I find this value, I'll get the answer. So how to find 3 cos of 10 minus 4 sine of 10? I will take a triangle alpha and then I will take 3, 4, 5. So sine alpha is 3 by 5, cos alpha is 4 by 5. Now here I will multiply 5 and divide 5. You will understand why I am doing this. Because 3 by 5 I can write as sine alpha cos 10. And 4 by 5, I can write minus cos alpha sine 10. So this is sine of alpha minus 10. Isn't it? Then alpha. How will you write alpha? Because tan alpha is 4 by 3. You can write alpha as tan inverse 4 by 3 minus 10. That is how I got. But actually, you need not worry about all these because already we have taken here, I have to take minus 5. The power should be minus 5. Directly, you can write the power as minus 5, the minimum value. I'm just explaining you the meaning of all these, but actually, directly we are finding the minimum value of the power. So, power's maximum value is 5. The power's minimum value is minus 5. So, if you want 5, you have to take 3 power minus 5 minimum value, or 1 by 243 is the minimum value. That's it. This is more easier than going to all those things. Next, we will see question number 7. The function sine 2x into 1 plus cos 2x has maximum. Then you have to find value of x. So maximum means first we will find the derivative using chain rule, product rule also. Derivative of sine 2x. Sine u derivative is cos u. Derivative of 2x is 2. And then 1 plus cos 2x. Plus now sine 2x is same. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos u is minus sine u. Derivative of 2x is 2. So after finding the derivative, we will simplify it more. That is 2 cos 2x plus 2 cosine square 2x minus 2 sine square 2x. I can write 2 cos 2x. I can take common. So I have cosine square 2x minus sine square 2x. I can write this as 2 cos 2x plus 2. Here I have to use the formula. What's the formula? Cosine square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta. That formula. So this will give me cos of 4x. 2 you can take common. cos 2x plus cos 4x. It's 2 cos a plus b by 2, 6x by 2, 3x. Cos a minus b by 2, 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2. So this is the derivative which you will set it equal to 0. And you will solve cos 3x equal to 0, cos x equal to 0. That means 3x equal to pi by 2, x equal to pi by 2. So x is pi by 6 and pi by 2. These two are critical numbers. Next you will find double derivative of x, second derivative of the function. So we will take this equation for f prime of x and we will find the second derivative. So I'm writing f prime of x is 2 into cos 2x plus cos 4x. The second derivative will be 2 into derivative of cos u is minus sin u into 2. Derivative of cos u is minus sin u into 4. Now in this derivative, second derivative, I have to put the critical numbers. I'll put pi by 6. 2 into minus 2 into, when I put pi by 6, I will have sine pi by 3 minus 4 into sine 2 pi by 3. So 2 into minus 2 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2 minus 4 into sine 2 pi by 3 is also root 3 by 2. So easily you can see you're getting a negative answer. That means the curve will be concave down. That means you will have a maximum. But in the question, what are they asking? Maximum only. So when it is having maximum, the function is having maximum at x equal to pi by 6. That's there in the option. So you can leave solving the question here. We can go to the next question. After question number 7, we will go to question number 8. In question number 8, perimeter of a sector is P. Area of sector is maximum when its radius is. That's what you have to find. So consider a sector. This is a sector. Radius is r. This is theta. This is L, which is r theta. So perimeter of the sector P is 2r plus r theta. Or theta is P minus 2r by r. Now, area of the sector. Formula for area of the sector is 1 by 2 r square theta. 1 by 2 r square. Theta is p minus 2r by r. So 1 r cancels. You have 1 half into pr minus 2r square. For maximum, we will take the derivative of the radius 1 by 2. Perimeter is a constant, derivative of r is 1. Minus 2 is a constant, derivative of r square is 2r. You have to set it equal to 0. So p minus 4r equal to 0. Or p must be equal to 4r. R must be equal to p by 4. That is what they are given in the option. Question number 9. In question number 9, f of x is 1 plus 2 sine x plus 3 cos square x. X is from 0 to 2 pi by 3. Then it's minimum or maximum. You can find maximum or minimum at x equal to whatever you find it. So f prime of x is derivative of 1 is 0. 2 is a constant, derivative of sine x is cos x. 3 is a constant, u squared derivative is 2u, and derivative of cos x is minus sine x, which you will set it equal to 0. You can take 2 cos x common, so 1 minus 3 sine x equal to 0. One equation is cos x equal to 0. The other equation is sin x equal to 1 by 3. So which one will give you maximum? Which one will give you minimum? These are the critical numbers. We got 2 critical numbers. Now you have to find the second derivative. To find the second derivative, you can take this product. 2 is a constant. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. And you'll write 1 minus 3 sin x same. Then plus 2 cos x is same. Derivative of 1 is 0. Minus 3 is a constant. Derivative of sin x is cos x. That means you have minus 2 sin x plus 6 sin square x minus 6 cos square x. Or minus 2 sin x, take minus 6 common, cos square x minus sin square x. Or minus 2 sin x minus 6 cos 2x. In this, because cos x equal to 0, x is pi by 2. So you put pi by 2. You'll get minus 2 minus 6. Because when you're putting pi by 2, you're getting cos pi, which is minus 1. So you're getting positive. That means concave up. That means you get minimum. What about the other one? In the second derivative, when you use x equal to sine inverse 1 by 3, sine inverse 1 by 3 minus 2, sin x is 1 by 3 minus 6 cos 2x. What's the formula for cos 2x? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. That is 1 minus 2. Sin x is 1 by 3. Sine square x will be 1 by 9. That means 9 minus 2, 7 by 9. So this value we can use here. Minus 6 into 7 by 9. You're getting a negative number concave down. That means maximum. Minimum at x equal to pi by 2 and maximum at sine x equal to 1 by 3. This is the easiest way to solve. Next, question number 10. The maximum value of cos of sin x is, so we will take y equal to cos of sin x. We will find the derivative. Cos u minus sin u. This is the derivative. Now you have to find the derivative of this u. So again you will take cos u. So it's minus sin u. And then finally you have to find the derivative of sin x. So cos x. This is what you will have. This you have to make it 0. So one way of making it 0, there are actually 3 ways to make it 0. How? The first way is sine of cos of sin x should be 0. The second way is sine of sin x should be 0. The third way is cos x equal to 0. This is the easiest of all. For this, sin x has to be 0. That means x has to be 0. For this, cos of sin x has to be 0. That means sin x has to be pi by 2. Isn't it? Or x has to be sine inverse pi by 2. These are the critical numbers we got. Now, instead of finding the second derivative, you can find the second derivative also. Nothing wrong. Only thing is, too many things you will have. If you want to find the second derivative, we will go to the new page. What is the first derivative we got? Minus sine of cos of sin x into sine of we got into minus sine of sin x into cos x. That means if you simplify, it is sine of cos of sin x, the first term. The second term is sine of sin x. And the third term is cos x. If you find the second derivative, first we will find the derivative of this term. Sin u cos u into derivative of cos u minus sin u into derivative of sin x cos x. Then you will write the remaining two same. That is sine of sin x and cos x will be same. Plus, now we will find the derivative of this. Sin u cos u, derivative of u sin x, that is cos x. This is easy. So you will write the first one same, product rule, and the last one same. Finally, derivative of cos x is not at all difficult, minus sin x. You will keep the first and last, that is the second, same. Now in this, what are the critical numbers we got? 0 and pi over 2 I have to put. So first is 0 I will put. So sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So I have cos 1. Here, sine 0 is 0. So sine 0 becomes 0. This entire thing will become 0. Actually, the first term entirely becomes 0. Coming to the second term. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1. And then sine 0 is 0, cosine 0 is 1. I am doing the second term. Sine 0 is 0. Cosine 0 is 1. And here also cosine 0 is 1. So 1. Then here sine 0 is 0, cosine 0 is 1, sine 1 you will have. Sine 1. And last one is cosine 0, which is 1 again. Next here, sine 0 is 0, so the last term will become 0. So here you are getting a positive value. We can find pi by 2 also, same way. But when you take pi by 2, this will become 0. This will become 0. First term complete. Second term also completely 0. The last term, what you have? Minus 1. And then sine pi by 2 is 1. Cosine 1. And then sine of cosine 1. And into sine of 1. So obviously this is negative. One more thing we have, one more critical number. That means sin x is pi by 2. So if sin x is pi by 2, cosine x will be 0. So I will find sine inverse pi by 2 also. Cosine x is 0, so this will become 0. First term will become 0. Second term also will become 0. Third term, sin x is pi by 2 minus 1. Sin x is pi by 2. So 1, cosine 1, sine of cosine 1. As the sine pi by 2 is 1, so sine 1, this is less than 0. So here concave up, concave down, concave down. Here minimum, here maximum, here also maximum. What are they asking in the question? The maximum value. Maximum value means we can take these two. That means pi by 2 sine inverse pi by 2. Maximum is happening at x equal to pi by 2 or sin x equal to pi by 2. But because we have to find the value, we'll put it in the original function. When you put pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, cosine of cosine 1. And when you put sin x equal to pi by 2, sin x is pi by 2 means what I have to put? Cosine x is 0. So cos of cos 1, both the ways. And this we have in the option. That's it. Nothing to work hard. We can go to the next question. The next question is question number 11. Water seeps out of a conical filter at the rate 5 cubic centimeters per second. So this is volume. dV over dt is minus 5 cubic centimeters per second. The height of the cone of water in the filter, height of cone or water in the filter is h. That is, they give 15 centimeters. Height of the cone or water is given as h, that is 50. Mainly height of the water you can take, not cone. Because height of the filter is given as 20 centimeters. And radius of filter, the base radius, is given as 10 centimeters. You have to find rate of height, that is dH by dt. This you have to find. Okay, volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Suppose this is the filter. This is the radius of the filter, which is 5. This is the height of the filter, which is 20. Radius of the filter is 10, not 5. And now we'll talk about water. When you pour water, the radius is r and height is h. So taking the ratio of r by h and comparing with 10 by 20. So r equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 2 into h. I can write r equal to h by 2. In the formula, volume 1 by 3 pi r square h by 2 square into h. So pi by 4, pi by 12 and h cube. We will find the derivative. dv by dt equal to pi by 12. H cube derivative is 3h square dh by dt. Now, in this you have to plug h. 50. Add dv by dt minus 5. So minus 5 equal to pi by 4. 15, that is 225 dh over dt. So dh by dt will be minus 5 into 4 by 225 pi. So I'm getting 5 ones, 5 fours, 5 fives. So what is the answer is minus 45 pi. In the bottom and 4 on the top. Centimeters per second. That's the answer. Okay. Next, we can go to the next question. This is question number 12. Sand falls from a tube. In such a way that it forms a cone. Forming a cone. Whose height is always 4 by third times radius of the base of the cone. And radius of the base increases at the rate 1 by 8 centimeters per second. When the radius is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeters, the rate at which the amount of sand increases, dV by dt. So because the sand is falling like a cone, volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. But in place of h, I will put 4 by 3 r. So 4 pi by 9 r cube. dV by dt will be 4 pi by 9 into 3r square dr by dt. That is 4 pi r square dr by dt. We can write 4 pi. R is given as 100, which is squared. Dr by dt is given as 1 by 8. 4 twos, 2 into 5,000. So we are getting 5,000 pi. This is 4 pi by 9. So one more 3 will be there in the bottom. So 3. I did not write 3. Volume is measured in cubic centimeters, time in seconds. So this would be the answer. Next, 13th question. In 13th question, length of tangent at t equal to pi by 4 to x equal to a into cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t is. So first of all, formula for length of tangent. It is y by dy by dx square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So we will find dy by dx by finding dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt, a is a constant, sin t is cos t minus, you can use product rule. Derivative of t is 1 cos t minus t will be same. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Denominator, a is a constant. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. T is derivative is 1 and sin t. T will be same. Derivative of sin t is cos t. So first you can cancel a. You can cancel cos t. You can cancel sin t. Then you can cancel t. So left off is tan t. At pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1. So length of the tangent will be y. In y, you will put t as sine pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 cos pi by 4 by dy by dx is 1. Root of 1 plus dy by dx square is 1. So we have a into 1 by root 2 minus pi by 4 into 1 by root 2 into root 2. So root 2 cancels. We have 1 minus pi by 4. A into 1 minus pi by 4. And that will be the length of the tangent. So we can go to the next question. That is question number 14. Question number 14a. We will take. On the ellipse. So this is ellipse 4x square plus 9y square equal to 1. You have to find the points at which tangent, when you draw, they are parallel to 8x equal to 9y. Because here the slope of this line is 8 by 9. So we can say slope of tangent also will be 8 by 9. And coming to the points, we don't know what is x and y, we have to find. So first we will find the derivative. 8x plus 18y dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx is minus 8x by 18y. That is minus 4x by 9y. This is 8 by 9, the slope of the tangent. So I can cancel 9, I can cancel 4 1s, 4 2s. So I have minus x by y equal to 2. Or I have x equal to minus 2y, which I can put it in 4x square plus 9y square equal to 1. So 2y square will be 4y square. So you will have 16y square plus 9y square equal to 1. Y square is 1 by 25. Y will be plus or minus 1 by 5. And so x will be minus or plus 2 by 5. So the points are when x is minus 2 by 5, y is plus 1 by 5. And when x is plus 2 by 5, y is minus 1 by 5. These are the 2 points where the tangents can be drawn. Next, 15th. Oh, we were doing 14a. So I have to go for 14b. Again, you have to find points on the curve 9y square equal to x cube where normal when drawn makes equal intercepts with axis. So suppose if these are the axis, you are drawing the normal. So imagine this is the normal. This is A. This is also A. The intercepts are equal. So equation of the normal should be x by A plus y by A equal to 1 or x plus y equal to A. Now we will find the equation. First of all, we don't know the point, but we can find the slope. 18y dy by dx equal to 3x square. Dy by dx is 3x square by 18y, that is x square by 6y. Now this is the slope of tangent. What will be the slope of normal? It will be minus 6y by x square. Now, any line which makes equal intercepts on the axis, what slope it will have? Y equal to minus x plus a. The slope of the normal is minus 1. Or it can be plus or minus 1 also. Because the normal can be this way also. This also can be the normal. So slope of the normal we will take plus or minus 1. That means y we can take minus or plus x square by 6. This we will put it in the equation 9y square equal to x cube. 9 into y square will be x power 4 by 36 equal to x cube. 9 fours. So x power 4 equal to 4x cube. X power 4 minus 4x cube equal to 0. Take common x cube into x minus 4 is 0. So x is 0 and x is 4. When x is 0, y will be 0. When x is 4, y will be minus or plus 16 by 6. Or the values of y are minus or plus 8 by 3. So the points where the normals are drawn, we can't take 0 comma 0. The normal, if it is at 0 comma 0, it won't make equal intercepts. So we have to take x is 4, y is minus 8 by 3 and x is 4, y is plus 8 by 3. These are the 2 points where the normal is drawn, and so it will make equal intercepts. Next we can go to 15th question. The acute angle between the curves y equal to mod of x square minus 1 and y equal to mod of x square minus 3 at their points of intersection. Oh, I have to erase here. The acute angle. So at their points of intersection, they are asking the acute angle. So first of all, the first curve y equal to mod of x square minus 1 means it's a piecewise function. It's positive x square minus 1 when x square minus 1 is greater than or equal to 1. It is negative 1 minus negative x square minus 1 or 1 minus x square when x square minus 1 is less than 0. So actually if you take x square minus 1 equal to 0, x will be plus or minus 1. So on the number line, if you take plus or minus 1 and see the signs, you have to take randomly. Here you will take minus 2, here you will take 0, here you will take 2 and put it in x square minus 1. For minus 2, it will be positive. For 0, it will be negative, and for 2, it will be positive. That means when I want to write the piecewise function, this x square minus 1 will be positive from I can say x less than or equal to minus 1, x greater than or equal to 1. And x square minus 1 will be negative when x is between minus 1 and 1, the piecewise function. This is how I can write. Similarly, the graph x square minus 3 also I can write piecewise function x square minus 3, 3 minus x square. Here when x is less than or equal to minus root 3, x is greater than or equal to root 3. And here x is between minus root 3 and plus root 3. The piecewise function I can write. So roughly if you try to draw the graph between minus 1 and 1, between minus 1 and 1, and between minus somewhere here minus root 3 and plus root 3. Actually a little bit far I have to write. Somewhere here I will write between minus root 3 and plus root 3 another graph. The graph will be positive x square minus 1. And the graph will be negative. You can see between minus 1 and 1, the graph will be negative, the first graph. So it is a parabola, but it will be something like this. This is the graph of y equal to 1 minus x square. Similarly, we have to draw the graph of 3 minus x square. So the graph of 3 minus x square will be something like this. Instead of drawing down, the first graph also you can draw up. Both the graphs you can draw down, or both the graphs you can draw up. So this graph also I can draw like this. This is y equal to 3 minus x square. So if you want point of intersection of two curves, you have to set both of them equal. Because if you set this and this equal, you won't get point of intersection. So you have to set one negative and the other one positive, or one positive, the other one negative. X square minus 1, I will set with 3 minus x square. 2x square equal to 4, x square equal to 2, x equal to plus or minus root 2. When x is plus root 2, what is y? When x is minus root 2, what is y? You can put it in x square minus 1. So x square means 2 minus 1, 1 for both. Now we have to find the acute angle. The tangents are drawn at these 2 points. So there are 2 points where tangents are drawn. tangents are drawn at. Now first we will find dy by dx. For both dy by dx is, for one it is 2x and for the other it is minus 2x. So if you take point P, what will be m1? 2 root 2. And what will be m2? Minus 2 root 2. So tan theta is absolute value of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, that is minus 8, or this is 4 root 2 by minus 7. That means theta acute angle will be tan inverse 4 root 2 by 7. This is how you will find the acute angle. So with this, we have completed this lesson, applications of derivatives. We have done many questions. We can go to the next chapter in the next class. And the next chapter is indefinite integrals. So learn all the formulas of indefinite integrals and come prepared for the class. With this, we will end our